Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today I just received this package from the Flipkart, which is Mithali stainless steel casserole. This one, and we'll try to unbox this today. Now, see here. This is what I purchased. Mithali hot and cold double wall insulated stainless steel casserole thermoware. Thermoware in the sense, if you cook the rice, if you keep it here in this casserole or this in this container, the food remains hot, and hot or cold, maybe cold liquids or something like that. It will stay hot or cold, depends upon the food which you keep in this container, and that I need to practically test once I unbox this and use this. So later I'll be doing a user experience or review video. First let us just unbox this. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this is of 3000 ml in the sense 3 liter capacity, and it is looking bigger here. See here, but it is looking very smaller here. That is one, and the weight also very lightweight, very lightweight. You can say that, as I'm having real time experience, in hand experience. This looking very lightweight. Yeah, this is what when I unbox this, and there is nothing in the box. Okay, a cover and this main container, stainless steel, and let me open this. The lid. Yeah, this is stainless steel material only, but it's looking like very lightweight one, very lightweight one. That is slightly not that much satisfaction. I expected even more a good weight, but yeah. I need to check why it is double insulated. Yeah, one thing is, when you just uh, keep this lock here, this got very fit here, means there would be no chance of leakage, even the temperature leakage, or yeah, the heat escape is not that easy, because this got very tightly fixed here. Okay, let me open and see the main container and the lid. This is the handle. Okay, yeah, we'll have the close look at this. Yeah, here. Okay, there is no rubber gasket or something like that, just the stainless steel material. Okay, fine. It is mentioned like 3 liters, but it is looking small. I need to check. And if you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments. And between, uh, if you want a review video on this product, uh, Mithali hot and cold double wall insulated stainless steel casserole, please do ask in the comments, so that I can do a quick review video or the user experience video and post it, and maybe I'll be dropping the link in the description after few days, or on the first comment. Yeah, please do ask your questions in the comment sections, and have a nice day.